Hello, this is Robert Carter, District Technology Coach, looking at Google Sheets. In this video, I'm going to look at simply the creation of a brand new sheet. You could do this a couple of different ways. I have logged straight into my Google Sheets account to start off. Just like every other Google Doc, you can do start a new spreadsheet from the top. We can do a blank sheet. So this is going to give us nothing more than a completely blank canvas in which to work from. Or if you go back, we can see a multitude of options from the template gallery. In this case, we go into the general, we can see a ton of different options. So let's just say we wanted to do gradebook. You can see that we have built-in graphs already in here, charts with the grading system, areas to put in the students' grades, so that are going to be automatically built into these different charts that we have. So if I go, like for example, if I look at quiz 1, which is a little bit over a 20, if I increase this to 80, we go back, we can see that these are automatically responding. Now, when we go back and look at our gallery, we can see that we have assignment trackers, budgets. All of these are going to come with either just your basic functions, or in this case, the case of the gradebook is going to have enhanced functionality already in it. While I've created videos to be able to help you do different things like formulas and other Google Sheets functions, these things are going to come with them already in there. You know, weekly timesheets that are going to calculate the time for you, as well as the billing rates and everything involved. These could be pertinent for teachers if you're doing some PBL projects. There's any number of things that a lot of these templates could potentially apply to, extracurricular events, you know, budgeting for special programs. But these are really, really key tools that Google has afforded us. Now, just like every other Google app, as I've mentioned previously, you can create new documents straight from Drive as well too. So when you go in, you can see Sheets is right here. We can do blank, as I said, or from one of the many templates that I just indicated previous to now. So as I mentioned, a couple of different ways to create yourself a brand new Google Sheet, you know, blanks or templates. Definitely take a look at the templates before you create any sheet. They could potentially save you a lot of work. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Otherwise, have a great day.